Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the t.test function. Before we look at the spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. The t.test function compares the means of two distributions of data and presents the p-value for the outcome. To perform a t-test in spreadsheets, type $t.test, then select your two distributions separated by a comma. The function then requires a tails argument. Type 1 if you are looking at a one-tailed distribution. Type 2 if you are looking at a two-tailed distribution. Finally, the function requires a type argument. Type 1 if you have a paired sample, 2 if you have two samples with equal variance, and 3 if you have two samples with unequal variance. Remember that each argument goes inside the parentheses and is separated by a comma. Let's take a look at how this function works in a spreadsheet. Column A lists the pre-test scores for a set of students, and column B lists their post-test scores. Since all test scores are accounted for, this is a paired sample. To perform the test, I will click in cell E3 and type $t.test, open parentheses. I will select column A, type a comma, then select column B, comma. I want to perform a one-tailed test, so I will type a 1, comma. And since this is a paired sample test, I will type a 1 for the type argument, before typing a close parentheses and hitting enter. The p-value for this t-test is 0.4. Remember that the results of a t-test are generally considered significant if the outcome is less than 0.05. The results of this test are not significant. In this video, I have shown you how to use the t.test function. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.